Did you know the vegetable sitting in your fridge right now is actually 96% water and a fruit, not a vegetable? Cucumbers are one of the most refreshing foods on the planet. We eat them in salads, sandwiches, and even drink them in water. But most people don't know how powerful this simple food really is. Today, we're breaking down the real health benefits, nutrition facts, and side effects of cucumber. What makes cucumber so healthy? Cucumbers are mostly water, but don't let that fool you. They are packed with vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. A single cucumber has very few calories, which makes it perfect for people watching their weight. It also contains antioxidants called cucurbitacins, which help fight inflammation in the body. Despite being light and watery, cucumbers still deliver real nutritional value with every bite. Keeps you hydrated. Since cucumber is almost entirely water, it's one of the best foods for hydration. Eating cucumber can help you meet your daily water needs, especially during hot weather or after exercise. Proper hydration supports your skin, digestion, energy levels, and even brain function. This is why cucumber is a favorite snack for athletes and people who struggle to drink enough water daily. Supports healthy skin. Cucumber isn't just good on your plate, it's great on your skin too. The silica and vitamin C in cucumbers help boost collagen production, which keeps skin firm and youthful. That's why you often see cucumber slices used in spas for puffy eyes and irritated skin. Eating cucumber regularly can also help reduce skin dryness from the inside out. Good for digestion. Cucumbers contain both water and fiber, a combination that supports healthy digestion. The fiber helps keep your bowel movements regular and prevents constipation. The high water content also softens stool, making digestion smoother overall. If you struggle with bloating or sluggish digestion, adding cucumber to your diet can make a noticeable difference. May help lower blood sugar. Some studies suggest cucumbers may help regulate blood sugar levels. They have a low glycemic index, meaning they don't cause sharp spikes in blood sugar. The antioxidants in cucumber may also support better insulin function. While cucumber alone isn't a treatment for diabetes, it can be a smart addition to a balanced, blood sugar-friendly diet. Possible side effects. Even healthy foods have downsides. Eating too much cucumber can cause bloating or gas in some people, especially if eaten quickly. Cucumbers also contain cucurbitacin, which in large amounts can upset your stomach. People with kidney issues should be cautious, since cucumber's high potassium content may not suit them. As always, moderation is key, even with something as simple as cucumber. So there you have it, cucumber is way more than just a crunchy salad ingredient. From hydration to skin health to digestion, this humble food deserves a spot in your daily diet. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and let us know in the comments what topic you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.